In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. So, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, move to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. From the drop-down, go ahead and click on Settings. After entering the Settings menu, look on the left-hand side and select Privacy and Security. Inside the Privacy and Security section, click on the very first option called Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up will appear. By default, the time range is set to last hour, but you can change this to all time, so Chrome removes everything from the beginning. Now you'll see three options: browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached images and files. I usually keep browsing history unchecked, but the other two options, cookies and cached images files, are the ones you should clear. You can also see how much storage will be freed. In my case, it's almost 200 megabytes. Once you're ready, click on Clear Data. And that's it. Your Chrome cache has been successfully cleared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.